Hi everyone, Khekhesh here. Standing right behind me is actually an active nest for parrots. This tree might look ordinary, but it actually hosts amazing bird. These parrots, in their amazing green color, actually caught my eye when I was doing a walk here in Riversands Farm Village. But hey, I'm just a photographer. In this video, we're actually going to check why others consider this bird problematic and controversial. In this video, we're going to check out their identity, their diet, location, importance to nature, and also fun facts about them. I hope you do enjoy this video. Please do like and subscribe and join me in this journey of nature. Enjoy the video. Thank you.
The bird we're looking at today is the rose-ringed parakeet, also known as the Indian ringneck. With its bright green plumage, long tail, and distinctive red beak, it's one of the most recognizable parrots in Gauteng. Although these parrots are now a familiar sight around Johannesburg, they are not indigenous to this area. Their presence here can be traced back to escaped and released pet birds that established wild breeding populations decades ago. Rose-ringed parakeets are opportunistic feeders. Their diet includes fruits, seeds, grains, flowers, nectar, and occasionally insects. Their adaptability is one of the reasons they've been so successful in urban and suburban environments. Whether feeding in gardens, parks, farms, or natural areas, they can make use of a wide variety of food sources. Originally native to parts of Africa and the Indian subcontinent, rose-ringed parakeets have established populations across many parts of the world. In South Africa, they're especially common in Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal, where they thrive in parks, gardens, farms, and wooded suburban areas. Like many parrots, they rely on tree cavities for nesting, often raising their young in holes found in mature trees. These parrots play a role in seed dispersal by feeding on fruits and moving seeds across the landscape. Because they are an introduced species, they can also compete with indigenous birds for food and nesting cavities. Their ability to adapt and reproduce successfully has allowed their populations to grow rapidly in several South African cities. A bird's value often depends on who you ask. For photographers and bird lovers, rose-ringed parakeets are a spectacular sight. Their bright green plumage, intelligence, and social behavior make them fascinating subjects to observe and photograph. But for some farmers, gardeners, and conservationists, the story is very different. These parrots feed on fruits, grains, and crops, sometimes causing significant agricultural losses. They also compete aggressively with native cavity nesting birds for nesting sites, which can put pressure on indigenous species. Their loud calls and growing populations have made them a familiar part of many South African suburbs, but not everyone welcomes their presence. The rose-ringed parakeet is a reminder that nature is rarely black and white. A bird admired for its beauty by one person may be viewed as a pest by another. A rose-ringed parakeet can live for more than 20 years in the wild. They're highly intelligent and are among the few parrot species capable of learning and mimicking human speech. Many of the parrots flying freely across Johannesburg today are believed to be descendants of escaped pet birds from decades ago. And despite not being native to Gauteng, they've become one of the most successful urban bird species in the region.